Hello students, in this video we will discuss some problem from exercise 26b. So let's start. So question number 3 is given here. Draw the graph each linear equation given below. So the equation is given here, y is equal to 2x plus 3. So firstly find out the points. So here you can find different values of x, you will get different values of y. Here x is the independent variable and y is the dependent variable. So now put here firstly 2. So if you put here 2, then you will get 2 to the 4 plus 3, it will be 7. Now put here minus 2. If you put here minus 2, then you will get here minus 2 to the minus 4 plus 3, it will be minus 1. And if you put here 1, then you will get here 2 1 ja 2 plus 3, it will be 5. Here now the points are 2 comma 7 minus 2 comma minus 1 and 1 comma minus 1 comma 5. So now you have to plot the point in the graph. So now go to our graph. So this is our graph. So firstly you have to draw x axis and y axis. So this is our x axis and this is our y axis. So this is x o x dash and this is y o y dash. Now here you have to plot 2 comma 7 first. So you have to go 2 room in the right hand side, 1 room, 2 room. Now you have to plot 7 in the positive direction of y axis. So this upward direction is the positive direction of y axis. Now you have to go here 7 room, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this one is 2 comma 7. Now next point you have to put here minus 2 comma minus 1. So minus 2 you have to go negative direction of x axis, that is 1 2, and minus 1, that is this point. Now next there is given 1 comma 5. Now 1, this is positive direction of x axis, this is 1. Now you have to go 5 room in the positive direction of y axis, 1 2 3 4 5. So this point is 1 comma 5. Now you have to join this line. Now this way you have to join it. This is not dotted line happen, this is single line happen. This way you have to join. Okay, so this is our answer. Now go to next problem. Now go to next one, question number 4. Wait. So question number 4 is given here. Y is equal to 4x minus 5 by 2. Now for different values of x, we will get different values of y. Because here is x is independent variable and y is dependent variable. Now if you put here x is equal to 1, then what we will get here? 4 into 1 minus 5 by 2. Now we will get 4 to the 8 minus 5 by 2, that is 3 by 2 happen. Now if you put here 0 in the place of x, then you will get here minus 5 by 2. Now if you put here half in the place of x, then what you will get? 4 into half minus 5 by 2. So that is 2 minus 5 by 2, that is 4 minus 5, that is minus half happen. Now the points are the points are 1 comma 3 by 2, 0 comma minus 5 by 2, and half comma minus half. Now you have to plot the points in the graph. Now go to next page. Now this is our graph. Now you have to plot the points. So firstly draw x-axis. So this is x-axis, and now draw y-axis. So this is our y-axis. Now this is x, o, x dash, and this is y, o, y dash. Now look at here. Here is given 1 comma 3 by 2, 0 comma minus 5 by 2, half comma minus half. So all our numbers are given here fractional number. So how we will plot the fractional number in the graph? Look at here. We will take 1 SD is equal to half unit. Here I am repeated again. You have to take here 1 SD, that means one small division. This small division is equal to half unit you have to take. Now first point is given here 1 comma 3 by 2. So 1 means half plus half, that means you have to go 2 room in the positive direction of x-axis. Clear? Now in the positive direction of y-axis you have to go here 3 by 2 is given, that means we know that half 1 SD is equal to half unit, that means you have to go here 3 unit in the positive direction of y-axis. That means this is our point. So this is 1 comma 3 by 2. Now next one, that is given here 0 comma minus 5 by 2. So firstly given here 0, so this will not go in the right hand side and not go in the left hand side. So now the y coordinate is given here minus 5 by 2. So you have to go 5 room in the negative direction of y-axis. That means this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 0 comma minus 5 by 2. Now the last one is given here half comma minus half. So it will be half, then in positive direction of x-axis, that is half. and negative direction of y-axis, this is minus half. So this point is half comma minus half. Now we have to join these points. Now it will be so this is our answer. Now in this way you can solve left of the problem in question number 3 and question number 4. Thank you everyone.